Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Mindset. Who doesn't want to have a little extra income, right? Are you looking for something that could get you some extra cash but not getting any such ideas? No worries. There are actually some great ways to earn money if you know where to look for. And today, we'll tell you some of those. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 ways to make $100 a day with no money. Keep watching to number 1 and see for yourself which ways suit you the best. Number 10, sponsored post. If you have a good social media influence, this is for you. With a sponsored post, a company will pay you to discuss their services. Initially, you can make around $100 to $200 for each sponsored post and increase it over time. Today, there are diverse money-making possibilities on different social media platforms. One of the ways involves making money posting ads. Social media promotion comes in when you have a sizable amount of followers on your social media platform. When you're famous, you can make huge bucks as an influencer. Building a social media followership is quite easy if you have some talent, unique skills, or something interesting that you want to showcase to the world. All you have to do is create it, have people follow you, and you're all set. Number 9, drive for Uber or Lyft. This is perhaps the most basic skill you can have if you want anything extra. Whether you're weighing starting a job as an Uber driver or want to make extra cash with a side hustle, you're in luck. The rideshare business continues to grow with massive demand for drivers in all areas of the country. After paying all expenses and after the app takes its cut, drivers for Uber and Lyft make between $8.55 and $11.77 per hour. This might further increase based on factors like price surge, location, hours worked, and tips. You can become an Uber driver in just 4 steps. Number 1, sign up for an account on Uber and complete the Uber driver application. Number 2, as you go through this process, Uber will provide the driver requirements and car requirements that relate to your city so that you can meet the qualifications and proceed through the application. Number 3, download the Uber driver app and wait for approval. Number 4, once you've submitted your application, you'll be able to download the Uber driver app if you haven't done so already and start exploring how it works. On top of this, you then need to prepare your car or rent a car if you don't already have one, and then start driving. After Uber has accepted your request, you're practically ready to start driving. If you would be using your own car, you want to be sure it's cleaned and prepared to hit the road. Here, you're ready to start driving. You should log into your account, turn on driver mode, and start receiving and accepting ride requests. Number 8, deliver foods and groceries. This is a growing sector and is good for earning some extra money. If you're seeking for a way to make some additional cash, you can take advantage of this demand for food delivery agents and make deliveries as a side job. You can then use this side proceeds to work out other financial goals, add to your monthly budget, or use it to treat yourself right. Today, delivery services are in abundance, and you can make some money by signing up to delivery a variety of items. Companies such as Instacart, Shipt, WeGo Shop, DoorDash, Grubhub all let you be your own boss and set your schedule by making deliveries. Clients place an order from a list of restaurants, including Starbucks, Chipotle, and hundreds of others in your area. The app then pushes orders to anyone nearby who is logged into the app. Pick up the food, drop it off, and get paid. You get to keep 100% of the delivery fee, plus any tips or boosts. You can earn an average of $15 to $20 an hour. You pick your preferred hours, so your earning capacity is up to you. To be a dasher, you'll need a vehicle, smartphone, and be over the age of 18. To work for Shipt, you must have a valid driver's license and car insurance, own insulated cooler bags, be able to lift 40 pounds, have a reliable vehicle that's from 1997 or newer, know how to select produce properly, and finally, be at least 18 years old. You certainly don't need a car to make money with your deliveries, but you may be able to make deliveries with a motorbike or even on foot. Also, if you land a full job with a delivery company, they may gift you with means of transportation or give you the chance to rent or borrow one. Number 7, Google Adsense. Google Adsense provides a way for blog owners to earn money from their online content. Adsense works by matching adverts to your website based on content on your website and location of visitors. The adverts are created and paid for by advertisers who want to promote their products. Google AdSense does not demand you know how about to do their technological process. Anyone can use it with absolute ease. Also, anyone having the smallest of understanding about computers can know how to use within a few minutes. To get started with this earning strategy, create an account. Google then gives you a code to paste to your website, set up your payment information, and from here, Google does the rest, and you get paid any time your advert is clicked and you reach a minimum threshold of $100. AdSense is a great way to make money online. It's easy to set up and use, it's reliable, and it works better than any other platform. Number 6, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another profitable way to get paid posting ads. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you get paid once you post adverts, irrespective of whether the visitor buys a product or not after they click the ad. In affiliate marketing, no expertise is required. You don't need to be an affiliate marketing professional to succeed. You're free to work in a flexible schedule and environment of your choosing. You don't have to worry about any after-sales customer attention. You can simply and conveniently pass it on to the publisher's own customer support team. Affiliate marketing normally helps support other people's products. All you need to do is sign up with the affiliate marketing company, such as Max Bounty, Flex Offices, and Amazon Associates. Number 5, flipping items on eBay and Amazon. If you're seeking for a great side hustle to pay off commitments, consider making money from home flipping kinds of stuff on eBay. You can earn good money flipping items for profit online without having to leave the comfort of your own home and make some money with ease. eBay would be excellent as a full-time or part-time income because you can list whatever you want so that the hours would be flexible and you can set your handling time to over a month so you can take vacations and still sell things while you're away. Number 4, teach English online. There's no doubt to the fact that English is a very widely used global language and the demand for learning is never ending. Teaching English online has become more and more popular in recent years. This is fast growing all over the world, providing students and scholars flexibility in how and where they develop their English language skills. This side gig allows you to work on your own hours, teach when you like, and from the comfort of your own home or wherever you desire. This leads to immense freedom many crave and want to switch to from the usual 9-to-5 workplace. You would be manned with teaching English language to international students from their living room. Thanks to new distance learning technology, such as Zoom and Skype, this teaching method has caught on. Online English tutors can presume to make between $10 to $40 an hour, with your expertise and skills being the major determinative factor in where you fall on this scale. Many organizations will offer incentives that can increase your hourly pay if you meet specific conditions over time. As an instructor, you will be able to set your own hours, which implies you can fit whichever time you want to work into your schedule. That provides the opportunity to run another part-time job or have another supplemental income. And you can get opportunities to teach English language online by visiting VIP Kid, Lingoda, OKids, Data ABC, and iTutor. Number 3, tutoring and coaching. You can use the internet to build a coaching profession if you have expertise in a specific field. It could be anything: business, finance, marketing, life coaching, or any particular set of skill that you possess quite well. How much you make all boils down to the type of niche you are. According to recent statistics, managerial coaches make around $325 an hour, while marketing coaches earn more like $235 an hour. If you're an authority in your field and people are always asking to get knowledge from you, you should start charging people. Your time is expensive, and so is your advice. Number 2, rent out a room on Airbnb. Traveling never ceases for some people. What becomes a problem is finding accommodations in some places. That's where Airbnb steps in. It is an online marketplace that arranges to lodge between individuals looking to rent out their space and those looking for accommodations. The business principle is straightforward. Individuals who have extra space in their home and want to employ it in a way to finance their cost of ownership, more like house hacking. Travelers need affordable accommodation. They can rest on a quick trip to town or an alternative to corporate housing if they need more extended accommodations. Airbnb has impressive benefits, like earning way more money for less time. Renting out a room on Airbnb, although a month can make you about $1,000 as compared to $600 or so a month if rented it out to a traditional roommate. If you're looking to enjoy some extra money and have an unused room in your apartment that you could list, Airbnb might be a great avenue to turn that spare room into real money. And number 1, freelance writing. Do you write well or have expertise in writing in a particular area? Then this is just your thing. Freelance writing is another means to earn an online income if you don't mind making some extra bucks while doing your current work. Another advantage of freelance writing is that you can grow exposure by writing for larger websites. Some freelance writers earn as much as 6 figures or more writing from home each year. There are numerous ways to become a freelance writer. One of the first steps is to figure out your writing niche, create samples to build your freelance writing portfolio, either by guest posting or starting a personal blog, and you can even have an online presence by setting up social media accounts on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. These social media platforms have numerous hidden opportunities for freelance writing jobs. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.